An urgent application to stop the strike was lodged by Business Unity South Africa on behalf of the banking sector. Our reporter Liabo Setho is at the Labour Court and she joins us now live. A very good morning to you, Liabo. What's the latest from where you are?
Good morning, Desiree. Well, in just under 15 minutes, Judge Hilary Rabkin Naicker will indeed give her verdict about whether the planned protest that is due to happen tomorrow by banking union SASBO will indeed go ahead. As you've already said in your intro, that this has been interdicted by BUSA, who obviously say that this will do irreparable damage to the economy, even if it's just for one day. Yesterday, during the submissions, they talked a lot about the importance of the Section 77, it being launched at NEDLAC. COSATU, who are also the respondents, saying that that SASBO only launched this Section 77 in August of 2017, basically implying that things had not been followed or procedures had not been followed. Of course, COSATU says no. The BUSA is actually the one that is playing hide and seek in this case. They're trying to blame government and everyone else, and that they want the planned protest to go ahead tomorrow. Of course, warnings have also been issued to all the consumers about how they should have by now withdrawn money if you're going to need money tomorrow, because all the ATMs and branches will not be working. This, of course, is if Judge Naicker, behind me there, does rule that, of course, that the strike by SASBO does go ahead. But if she rules otherwise, it obviously means that, it's business as usual tomorrow. So in just under 15 or even 10 minutes, we will be hearing that judgment live. We will be taking you inside the courtroom where you'll be able to hear it for yourself. Whether you're sitting at home or you're sitting in the office, you will be able to hear the judgment for yourself live inside courtroom 6 here at the Labour Court in Braamfontein.
Yeah, a quick one while we still have you. There's been questions about why it's a business body that's lodging this complaint and not the banking fraternity itself. Why is this?
Remember that the businesses, including banks, are members of the union or the Business Unity South Africa, which is an association. You also have associations such as the BLSA. So they have someone that speaks on their behalf. Instead of them speaking individually about this matter, they get one person to represent them, and they are members of the Business Unity South Africa, and the banks are also members of the Banking Association of South Africa. In this case, I would imagine that they have chosen BUSA to be the one that speaks on their behalf.
Thank you so much for that update. We will look out for the live processes as they come up.